Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shorts while you work. Next, heat the rear glass to about 60-80 degrees C for 1 to 2 minutes to loosen adhesive. This makes prying safe and predictable. Once warmed, place a suction cup and insert a thin plastic pick at the seam, then slide a plastic opening tool around the edge. Take your time. Gentle, steady pressure prevents cracking and preserves the small RF cables under the glass. With the rear glass removed, unscrew and lift the midframe to expose the battery connector and adhesive. You must disconnect the battery flex using a plastic spudger so you don't short anything. Metal tools increase risk. Next, locate the adhesive pull tabs. If present, pull them slowly and steadily. If tabs are brittle, slide a thin plastic card under the battery and lift in small increments. This avoids bending or puncturing the cell. Take care because a deformed battery can catch fire or fail immediately. Place the new OEM or high-quality replacement battery on fresh adhesive, align the connector, then reconnect the battery flex. Testing power before sealing saves a full teardown if there's an issue. Once confirmed, reseat the midframe, tighten screws to snug, not over-torque, and apply new rear adhesive or glue strip, then press the glass down evenly. Reinsert the SIM tray and power on. If the phone won't boot or shows abnormal battery behavior, reboot into recovery and try battery calibration. If still bad, double-check connector seating and adhesive pressure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.